In this video, you'll learn several ways you can use to fix the screen color of your Galaxy A36. So if your screen color is looking a little weird and you want to take it back to normal, then these are multiple ways you can do so. One of them is by ensuring that sleep mode is disabled, and this is because whenever sleep mode is turned on, there's a feature called grayscale that turns your phone to a black and white grayish color. So start by turning that off and it might solve your problems. To do that, open the Settings app. Then you want to come to Modes and Routines, look for the option Sleep, and then select Turn Off, and your screen should go back to normal. If it hasn't, then I'll show you some other ways you can do so. So go back to the main settings menu, and then you want to select the option Display. Under Display, ensure that your display settings is set to light mode and not dark mode. And then if that still hasn't fixed your screen, this is what else you can do. Go back to the main settings menu and scroll to select the option Accessibility. Look for Vision Enhancements and select it. Then if you have color inversion enabled, just tap on the toggle like that to turn it off. If it's still not fixed, go to Color Correction and then just tap on the toggle like that to disable it. Once it's disabled, your screen should go back to normal. If it hasn't yet, then you can look at the last option, which is Color Filter. So you also want to ensure that this feature is turned off and your screen should go back to normal. If it hasn't, then I would recommend you contacting Samsung Care and Support for additional help in case it's a software issue or something similar. And so those are the multiple ways you can use to fix the screen color of your Galaxy A36. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.